Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to just another page kit layout. So these is a page kit, but I also threw in some extras. So in case I need to grab anything else, I have my extras from this, and I'm making progress, guys. So the bin that used to hold all these page kits didn't fit them. And now I've got room. But anyway, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more page kits left. And the last time I was going through some stuff, I actually ran out. I didn't have any more of these. This is how many I've done. So I'm pretty impressed with what I'm getting done. So that being said, we've got this little piece here from a different collection that, so those are all going to go there. I want to use this. We've got this border strip. We've got 4 frames. Some pieces here. I just pulled in all the colors because we have a very colorful black background. And this, so if you guys have never been to She Loves Color, this right here, and I gotta figure out how to get them on there, is literally 2 days worth of prizes and free stuff that we received from going. I mean, obviously we paid for it because we paid for the admission, but yeah, so this was all the stuff, and they give away stuff all day, every day. So I thought that was fun. Now I have to figure out how to get them all on a page. So I'm definitely going to have to trim them down because, they fit. But then what do you do, right? There's no room to embellish. We could just put this right here and then maybe do some... That might just be fun. Probably should just grab a pocket page. So we'll do that. And then maybe just embellish like on top. Yeah, let's just go for it. So the one thing that I always end up having left over is embellishments. So I'm doing good at using all the papers. I'm even saving the scraps and using them up as well best I can. And I do have my photos printed with a border. My printer is broke right now, so I'm trying to figure that out. Don't know what's going on, which is not good because I have to print my Memory Maker stuff out before I leave today, and I'm leaving today. So I'm not actually thinking it's going to happen. I'm going to have to be late for my design team, but I cannot get it. I've been trying for days now, and I got nothing. I've been having lots of technical issues. My cut to you was late because I couldn't get my Cricut to freaking work, so I don't know what's going on. All right. What is that? Wizardry. I thought that was all one. Oh. That's fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to piece those back in somehow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I'm going to piece it back in, and I'm going to glue that down, and I'll be right back because this is not sticking. Yay. Alright, so this is what I've got going on. We've got a cluster here, here, and here. Now we just need to add to it, just to kind of, jazz it up a bit. Why not? I don't know. But we're going to go for it. So I'm okay with going over the photos because it is just photos of winnings, so it's not like it's all that important. But I wanna use this stuff up. Let's just be honest about it. So if I can get some of these used, that would be nice as well. So we're just going to add some of these little embellishments. And I actually think I could probably get all these used up here on this one sheet. Do they make sense? Probably not. Do I care? Absolutely not. And just gonna get some more. And you guys, actually, I think that is going to do it for today's layout. So I did get a lot more used up, creating some fun little embellishments going on. See if I can pop these over here. Where do we want to? Let's just put the, nope. Let's get that on there. We'll make that part of our title. And then I usually come in and start combining these because they, you know, because why not? What does this say? The best things about memories are making them. Let's put this guy up here and let's add that little banner there. So we've got that combined, and that's it. So we do have a whole bunch of random stuff on a page of random items, but I'm okay with that. And I will see you guys later. Don't forget to check out all my affiliate links down below if you are interested in catching a deal. I do have a discount code for this Glassboard Glass Studio mat, and it is fabulous. I do all my mixed media, cutting, everything. And then I just take a scraper and I clean it up, and it's really easy. So you guys have to look at that, and you do get a discount, and they are coming up with some they have some fun designs. They have magnet boards. Love it. So check them out, and I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.